So hopefully most of you guys are familiar with this truck by now. This is my 2000 GMC Sierra. Today's video is particularly about this right down there. Something that you guys give me crap about constantly. So let's say that you don't know how to weld and you don't want to pay upwards of $1,000 to have a shop cut out your old stuff, weld in all new pieces, grind the welds down, prime it, and paint it. What are you to do? Well, I've got some good news for you, because there's something that I did not know about until just last week that is perfect for you. So you can fix your rusty cab corners and your rusty rockers without welding, and very likely in one day. All right, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. This showed up pretty much at the beginning of this week, and this is from a company called Original Appearance Manufacturing. All right, here's the actual covers themselves. Oh. First impressions, they are super realistic. I'll give you guys a quick look. It looks like they, I don't know if they 3D scanned something or if they just took like a direct mold or what. It's super convincing. Like they even have all the pinches down here. I dig it. They're plastic, so they're obviously very light. And they go up a whole lot further than I was expecting. I thought they were gonna stop like right in here somewhere. So yeah, I think, oh, and something else I just noticed. It looks like this little like lip there, it looks like that will slide into there and help hide it too. I've gotta say, like, I was expecting to be a bit of a dick today, but I'm impressed so far. I think I might actually like run over and try and find that paint and get them all paint matched and everything. All right, I ended up just buying some because I couldn't find any over there. It fits really well. I mean, once all the 3M tape and everything is on here, and I'll space it down a little bit so that when it's pressed on, it'll stay kind of tight like that. And then once it's all paint matched, I think it'll blend in pretty well, because that'll start like right where that shadow is that you see. I think it'll look pretty good, really. And here's what it looks like inside the door. If all I showed you was this, you'd never know. That's crazy. I gotta be honest, it's pretty good so far. But I'm going to finish trying to fit this one a little bit better, and then I'll pull it off, start putting the tape on, and then prep it for paint. Alright, so that's been drying for about 60 minutes, probably a little more by now because I went and had dinner. And I think we're good enough to start spraying the actual color coat. I forgot to film doing some of the rest of the steps, but this is probably about 4 color coats and 1 coat of this clear, and this might be my new favorite, like clear coat in a can. This is 1 coat, and look at that. That is really good. All right, so it is stuck in place right now. We got all the 3M tape all peeled. It is being held in only with that. I was going to film putting it on, but once I got it all test fit and kind of in place, I just reached back and peeled the tape out of the way and stuck it back on real quick. And it looks really good from right about here, right about 5 feet away. Any closer than that, and on camera it looks really good, but in person, because the stock paint on the truck is 20 years old and faded, in person you can kind of tell. And then if you look at it from about this angle, you can see where that seam is. But I mean, if you're back right here, it looks damn good. It looks way good. And then once you just imagine it with the trim back on, because I am going to keep the trim on to kind of help divert the eyes from it a little bit. All right, so I said screw it. I put that trim piece back on. Man, this thing, it really did kind of change the look of the truck. Because like before, under the door there was just nothing. So I still have to finish up the other side, but It is like 11:30 right now, so I will probably just do that tomorrow. There's part of me that's tempted to leave it black, but nah, I won't do it like that. I'll get it painted and I'll finish it up right, but that is definitely gonna do it for today's video. I hope this helps someone out who wants to kind of improve the look of their truck that has rusty cab corners and rusty rockers and stuff like that. The fit and finish obviously is really good. From 10 feet away, you can't even tell. Like I said at the beginning, if you've got a truck that you care about, you can ignore it, you can try to tackle it yourself. If you don't want to do that, taking it to a shop could be $1,000, could be way more depending on your area. So I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you next time.